This is the farmhouse where I grew up, where my father grew up, where my grandfather grew up, where my great-grandfather grew up. The main house was built in 1860. We got electricity in 1943 with the Rural Electrification Act. And now what I am doing is I'm removing the majority of the 1960 updates and reverting the era back to somewhere between 1920 and 1950. I'm going to show you each room in the order that I did them years ago. While I am no more of a carpenter or a designer than any member of my family has ever been, I'm doing it to suit me and my tastes. For the mudroom lights, we chose gas station lights. You know, those green porcelain lights that used to be on the old gas stations. These are original. They're not the cheap-looking painted commercial versions that are available today. For the center of the room, we were able to get one with the original aluminum bulb guard to protect the bulb in case it got hit, because the ceilings are quite low. And here, this light is as we received it from the antique show. I'm beginning to work on it. This one is going to be placed on the red wall. And here's what it looks like when it's mounted. If you notice that special 2-bolt fitting where it's bolted to the beam, that was an air fitting initially that I modified to use as the light fixture fitting. They throw them away at work, so I grabbed a couple and used them whenever I had one of these gas station lights. And for a night light out in the mudroom, I took our old buggy lantern and put a bulb in it, and that white box is an X10 relay, and so the light is turned on and off by the home automation system, which is X10. And using a night light bulb, this is what it looks like at night. And for when the power goes out, we have a wall-mounted kerosene lamp. This particular mount is made out of strap steel. And then to upgrade it, we painted it gray to match the mud finish of the trim and put a reproduction stainless steel reflector on it. That reflector is designed to look like the old tin ones, but it's stainless steel, so it stays shiny and doesn't rust. And that is what we used for lights in the mudroom.